Microsoft is ready to launch 3 more apps on this taskbar. The company claims it'll be a great addition to the app and will help its users. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Recently, Microsoft said that it'll launch 3 companion apps to its roster, which will be Calendar, People, and File Search. But how will these 3 apps help the users? First revealed in June, these apps will be rolled out in Microsoft 11 and will surely enhance productivity and save users time within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Now, if we look into their separate uses, you don't have to open the Calendar app separately now. You can open it from the taskbar and use it to search Teams messages, join meetings, look at your day or agenda views, and see all the details for individual appointments. And for the People app, again, you'll find it in the taskbar. It'll help you look through your company's organizational chart or personal contacts. You can use this to send short Teams messages or to pull up further details about each person. At last, the File Search. Explained by the name, it'll allow you to look through all of your Microsoft uploaded documents in one place. You can filter search results by who made the document or who recently edited it, preview a document in the companion app, share files, or copy a link to share through another platform. All these just under one app? That's what we call an update. The apps will launch once Windows 11 updates, but you can change the launch in individual app settings. The company's already added these to Microsoft 11, but these are beta for now and are only available on the desktop version of the software. Microsoft said the mobile versions are not available yet, but there are future plans for a mobile alternative. This is all what Microsoft 11 had in store. Did you like the new update? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.